When you visit the islands of Okinawa in Japan, then you should try Blue Seal ice cream. It is a famous and very popular local ice cream brand. They offer many different flavors. This purple flavor is the sweet potato version.
Do you go?
It has a very creamy texture and has a sweet potato flavor that is not very intense. You should give this ice cream a try when you visit Okinawa. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.